Have you ever wondered what a moth or beetle really looks like up close? Not just a passing glance, but a true, detailed look at the intricate features that make these insects so extraordinary. When we take the time to observe them closely, a hidden world of detail and beauty is revealed. These tiny creatures are marvels of engineering, painted with colors and patterns that rival any artist. Their wings shimmer with iridescent scales, and their shells are adorned with dazzling hues and textures. Each line and spot serves a purpose, whether it's to attract a mate, warn off a predator, or blend seamlessly into their environment. Thanks to high-speed cameras, we can now slow down time and witness their flight in stunning detail. Every wing beat, every flash of hidden color. What once seemed like a blur becomes a mesmerizing dance, revealing the incredible coordination and power packed into their tiny bodies. What looks like a simple flutter is actually a complex ballet of muscles, wings, and air, all working in perfect harmony. Each movement is precisely timed, allowing these insects to hover, dart, and change direction in the blink of an eye. Today we'll meet 12 species, each with its own story. Some use vibrant colors to warn predators, others blend in with their surroundings, and some even glow in the dark. From the bold to the mysterious, each insect has evolved its own survival strategy, shaped by millions of years of adaptation. Each insect has a unique way of flying and surviving, a testament to nature's creativity. Some glide silently through the night, while others flash their colors in the sunlight, all perfectly suited to their habitats. Get ready to dive into a world that's all around us, yet rarely seen. These insects live in our gardens, parks, and forests, often just out of sight, carrying on their fascinating lives. We'll uncover how their bodies are built for flight and how they navigate with such precision. From their delicate antennae to their powerful wing muscles, every part plays a role in their survival. Let's begin our adventure and discover the secrets that take flight every day and night, right in our own backyards. There's a hidden universe waiting to be explored, one that will change the way you see the world around you. First, meet the virgin tiger moth, a flying masterpiece of warning coloration. Its wings are a brilliant canvas of yellow and orange, boldly marked with black, sending a clear message: stay away. In slow motion, we see the wings flex and bend, revealing long, hair-like scales and hidden orange hind wings. A living work of art in motion. Every movement is precise, designed for both flight and flashing those warning signals. Next, the Clymene moth. At rest it looks plain, just black and white forewings, blending in. But when it takes flight, a burst of vibrant orange is revealed, startling predators and giving the moth a chance to escape. This flash and dazzle defense is a brilliant survival strategy. Slow-motion footage captures the dramatic reveal, forewings lift, orange explodes into view, and the moth vanishes in a blur. It's a two-part defense: hide first, then surprise. Even in the insect world, a little surprise can be a powerful tool. Some moths survive by blending in, becoming nearly invisible to the untrained eye. Their ability to disappear into their surroundings is a remarkable adaptation, honed over thousands of years. The banded tussock moth, with its muted tones and soft, fuzzy appearance, is a master of camouflage. Its colors echo the subtle shades of tree bark and lichen, making it almost impossible to spot unless you know exactly where to look. As a caterpillar, it was spiky and intimidating, covered in tufts of hair that warned predators to stay away. This early defense helps it survive before it transforms into its adult form. As an adult, it hides in plain sight, until takeoff, when a hidden turquoise stripe flashes briefly, a secret only slow motion reveals. This sudden burst of color can startle predators, giving the moth a split second to escape. Even the plainest creatures can have extraordinary secrets. What seems ordinary at first glance often hides a world of complexity and surprise. The waved Sphinx moth is another expert at disappearing, blending seamlessly into the rough texture of tree trunks. Its forewings mimic tree bark so well, it vanishes when resting. The intricate patterns and subtle colors are a perfect match for its environment. This camouflage is crucial for survival, letting it rest safely during the day, hidden from birds and other predators that hunt by sight. In flight, the waved Sphinx is powerful and graceful, gliding through the night with strong, steady wing beats. Slow motion shows the strength in its wings and how its patterns blur into motion, creating a mesmerizing effect that confuses would-be attackers. Its hind wings provide the power for flight, while the forewings keep it hidden when still, a perfect combination of function and disguise. Watching it fly, you see speed and agility, a perfect balance of stealth and strength. Each movement is a testament to its evolutionary success. Nature's designs are both beautiful and practical, with every detail serving a purpose in the struggle to survive. These moths show how survival can be an art form, blending beauty, ingenuity, and adaptation in every delicate wing beat. Now, meet the giants of the moth world. The Luna moth, with its pale green wings and long tails, is pure magic. Even a few flaps reveal its grace and power. Those long tails, they may confuse bats, tricking them into attacking the tail instead of the body. The Luna moth lives only about a week as an adult, beauty that's fleeting and rare. Next, the Polyphemus moth, named for its huge staring eye spots. The male's feathery antennae are super sensitive, detecting female pheromones from miles away. Its worn wings tell a story of long nights in flight. The real show happens mid-flight. As the forewings move down, two giant eye spots are revealed, startling predators and giving the moth a chance to escape. It's a dramatic, effective defense. Slow motion lets us see the exact moment the eyes appear, a powerful illusion. These moths are both survivors and wonders of the night. Meet the Sphinx moths, the fighter jets of the moth world. With long, narrow wings and streamlined bodies, they're built for speed and agility. The small-eyed Sphinx moth, despite its chunky body, is an aerial acrobat, hovering, flying backward, and reaching impressive speeds. Slow motion reveals the force and precision of each wing beat, a masterclass in aerodynamics. Sphinx moths can hover at flowers, feeding with their long proboscis, showing off their flight control. Compare this to the Polyphemus moth's slower, fluttering flight. Two very different solutions to the challenge of flight. Sphinx moths use rapid, powerful wing beats for speed. Polyphemus relies on large wings for lift. It's like comparing a fighter jet to a cargo plane, both masters of the air, but in their own way. Nature's diversity in flight is astonishing. Each moth is a testament to evolution's creativity. Now, let's enter the fascinating world of beetles, where extraordinary adaptations and surprising behaviors await us at every turn. First, meet the male glowworm beetle, an insect with giant feathery antennae and bulging eyes, perfectly built to find glowing females in the darkness of the night. His antennae are so sensitive, they can detect the faintest chemical signals drifting through the air, guiding him unerringly toward his mate. The females, in contrast, remain larva-like throughout their lives, and glow brilliantly, lighting up the undergrowth like tiny living lanterns. The male's short elytra and elongated body give him a look that's part beetle, part firefly, a unique blend of form and function. In slow motion, you can see his delicate, membranous hind wings beating rapidly to power his flight, while the short elytra act as stabilizers, offering balance and control as he navigates the night air. He's a true specialist, not searching for food, but on a relentless quest for love, weaving through grass and leaf litter, drawn by the promise of a glowing partner. Next, we meet the giant diving beetle, a master of both water and air, and one of nature's most versatile predators. Streamlined for swimming, this beetle is a fierce aquatic hunter, preying on anything from tadpoles to small fish. Yet, when its pond dries up or food runs low, it must take to the sky in search of a new home. To prepare for flight, it pops open its hard, protective elytra, revealing a hidden set of large, powerful flight wings folded neatly underneath. Its paddle-shaped legs, so perfect for swimming, aren't much help on land, making takeoff look awkward and clumsy at first glance. But in slow motion, every detail is revealed. A droplet of water falls as the beetle lifts off, a tiny drama frozen in time, highlighting the struggle and triumph of this remarkable insect. The giant diving beetle's journey from water to sky is a marvel of adaptation, showcasing the incredible versatility of beetles as a group. High-speed cameras reveal the hidden beauty in every moment, capturing the elegance and complexity of beetle flight that's usually invisible to the naked eye. Meet the Longhorn beetles, famous for their antennae longer than their bodies. The Alder borer beetle is a strong flyer. Slow motion reveals a gap between its legs, perfectly designed for wing movement. Its hard elytra act like stabilizers, while the hind wings do the real work. Every part is engineered for flight. The flower longhorn beetle, smaller but just as agile, is often found on flowers, feeding on pollen and nectar. In flight, it spreads its legs wide, ready to land on petals or stems at a moment's notice. This posture is perfect for a beetle that hops from flower to flower. Outstretched legs mean it's always prepared for a quick landing. Small details reveal big clues about behavior. These beetles show how form and function go hand in hand. Now, let's appreciate something tiny, the long-necked ground beetle, just 6 millimeters long. Its neck is actually an elongated thorax, giving it a unique silhouette. Despite its size, it's a capable flyer with clever adaptations. Its delicate wings are intricately folded under hard elytra, protected until needed. To fly, it shakes them open, an act of natural origami. Its frantic wing beats are a blur to our eyes, but slow motion reveals each powerful flap. Even the smallest creatures are marvels of engineering. This beetle proves that nature's most incredible designs aren't always the biggest. What a journey. We've slowed down time to explore the secret world of 12 amazing moths and beetles. Each one has a unique way of surviving, using color, camouflage, or surprise. We've seen giants of the night, agile flyers, glowing beetles, and tiny marvels. Slow motion reveals a hidden ballet in every flight. Next time you see a moth or beetle, remember the powerful muscles, hidden colors, and incredible journeys they undertake. These small creatures are masterpieces of evolution, each flap a wonder. Our planet is filled with breathtaking beauty in the most unexpected places.